Good morning student. This video is for class 2 children and the subject is computer. Now we are going to start the new chapter, which is your chapter number 3. So you just take out your computer book, open your book, page number 16. Here in page number 16 you can see this chapter number 3. The name of this chapter is Input and Output Devices. The name of this chapter is Input and Output Devices. So what is input device and what do you mean by output device? In this today's class, we are going to discuss about those things. What is input device and what do you mean by output devices? Okay. Our body has different parts by which they perform different functions and constitute a complete human body. When you look at on your screen, then one picture is given here in your book, that is our body parts. So all humans are having different parts in their body: eyes, head, nose, mouth, neck, hands, fingers, then legs, ankle, feet, shoulders. So many body parts are there, and collectively these body parts are called our human body. Similarly, a computer is made up of different parts which perform different functions and constitute a complete computer system. Same as the computer is having different parts, and collectively all these parts of computer are called computer system. If you have remembered that in class 1 you have learned about the computer system. In this computer system we are going to learn different parts of computer and their uses. What are the uses of all those different parts of a computer system? Have you seen a computer before? Did you notice that a computer consists of different parts? But unlike the human body parts, a computer system's parts are classified into input and output devices. So what do you mean by input and output devices? Two terms are here, input and output. What do you mean by input and what do you mean by output? So first of all, we will discuss about the input device. What is input device? So just look at in your book page number 17. Page number 17. Input device. What is input device? The device which is used for giving instructions to the computer. The device which is used for giving instructions to the computer for doing certain work is known as input device. So we can say the device which is used to give the instructions to the computer, that is known as input device. For example, the most common examples of input devices are the keyboard and the mouse. Keyboard and mouse are the most important example or common example of input device. First one is keyboard. What is keyboard? It is attached with the CPU. Keyboard, if you look at on your screen, it is the keyboard. Our keyboard looks like this. It is attached with the CPU. It helps to send instructions to the computer when we press the keys or button on it. What the keyboard is doing? It helps to send instructions to the computer when we press the keys. Keyboard is having so many keys, and each and every keys are performing some unique task. Alphabetical keys are there which are used for typing alphabets. Number keys are there which are used for typing numbers. and other special symbols are also there. Those are also used for typing that. The next one is mouse. It is also an input device. It has two buttons on its face and a scroll wheel in between that helps to click or double click or scroll the pointer screen. If you look at on your screen that the mouse is having two buttons, this is called right button and this is called left button, and in between right and left button you can see a scroll wheel. So this scroll wheel and these two buttons are helps to click or double click or scroll the pointer on the screen. Next, it helps to select, move or to draw pictures on the screen. Mouse is also helpful to select something, the files which you want to open on your screen. So it is helpful for selecting and opening that one. It is also helpful for move the cursor or move the file from one place to another place, and it is also helpful to draw the pictures. So these are the two input devices, keyboard and mouse. Keyboard is attached with the CPU. It helps to send instructions to the computer when we press the keys or button. Mouse has two buttons on its face and a scroll wheel in between that helps to click or double click or scroll the pointer. It helps to select, move or to draw pictures on the screen. Now turn your page number 18. Okay, then here you can see mouse, single click and double click. These two terms are related with our mouse. What do you mean by single click? Single click means to press the mouse button once to select an object. When we press the left mouse button at once, that means it is selecting our file or object on the computer. Next term is double click. What do we mean by double click? Double click means to press the mouse button twice in quick succession. When we are pressing left mouse button twice rapidly, that means it is double click, and double click is generally it is used to open the file. Okay, so these two terms are related with our mouse. As I have explained you that mouse are having two buttons, one is called left button and another is called right button. It is also having a scroll wheel. It is used to scroll the page on the screen. Now I try to show you the actual look of our these input devices. If you can see on your screen, this is our keyboard. It is our input device. You can see that here these three lines are having alphabetical letter, and these three lines are called alphabetic keys. Alphabet keys, these are used to type alphabets. If you can see, the number keys are here in our keyboard, and in another side these are the number keys. So these number keys are used to type numbers. So this keyboard is our input device. The another input device is our mouse. This is our mouse. Mouse is having two button, left button and right button. One scroll wheel is also here. If you can see, that scroll wheel is also here. So left button is used to click on select the object on the screen, and right button is used to open a pop-up menu. When we click on left button at once, that we are ready to select, or computer is going to select the object. When we click double click, when we click on the left button at twice rapidly, that means it is open the file. So these are the two input devices which I have shown and I have explained in this video. What you have to do, you have to just take out your computer copy and draw the keyboard and as well as the mouse. Okay, that's all for today's class. Thank you and have a nice day.